LA. Ha? Andito na kami. Andito na kami sa ano. Asan ba tayo? Basta sa LA kami, guys.
Taray. Welcome to your life.
Yeah, welcome to my vlog. A lot can happen in my So, nandito kami ngayon, guys. Nag-rehearse kami. Actually, third day na to ng rehearsals. Third day na ng rehearsals. First day namin na-cancel kasi grabe yung jet lag. So, hindi nakapag-training si Ate Aya. And yung training namin, kailangan namin na kompleto kami. So, kinancel na lang siya. So, day 2, kahapon. Ayun. Day 2, day 3, and we still have one more tomorrow before we go to Hawaii. So, yun na ba yung agenda natin? Mag-rehearse kami for world tour. Kasi kahapon doon na kami sa Summer Sonic. Yun lang naman. Kamusta weather sa LA? Mainit dito. Pero, kaya naman yung init. Don't forget to drink water dyan. Thank you! Alam nyo guys, ngayon lang ako nakatulog. Kagabi lang ako nakatulog. Uminom na ako ng gamot para makatulog ako. Kasi, kung hindi na naman ako makakatulog. Like, normal routine ko, magigising, tutulog ako mga 8 p.m., magigising ako 10 p.m., tapos makakatulog na lang ulit ako. 8 a.m. na, ganun. So, yun na naman guys, mag-vocalize na kami. Bye!
Hi, everyone. Thanks. Ay, okay na po. Let's switch na po.
Vocalize daw. Hi, Blues!
I don't have bangs right now.
Save kami ng song.
It's Puka and Cookie. Puka and Cookie. Where did you get this? From somewhere.
Ganito din ako. Pens up ko na. Ganda ng pens up na yun.
Is this Spanish song? It is. Ano oras na dyan? Parang magkakulay na tayo. Getting there. It's getting there. No, but it is getting there. I spray oil. Getting there. You should cut it. Can you just cut it? Getting there. Ingat na. Kailangan mo bilhin ng oil. Kailangan bili ako. Bili ako sa ano.
Mabuhay, it's Gandara, my face is so plakada.
Three, two, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anong oras sa Pinas? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye-bye guys! Start na kami.
Where do you find your quiet peace when the leadership duty gets heavy? Ewan ko, ako yung type of person na gusto ko madami yung ginagawa. Hindi ko kaya na may vacant time. So, pag wala ako sa Bini, minamake sure ko it's either nasa cafe ako or eto kasing ginagawa ko hindi nyo pa pwedeng malaman pero malalaman nyo din yan sa takdang panahon. Secret muna ngayon, pero ayun, gusto ko puno pa rin yung schedule ko. Pero, ayun, parang hindi lang ako ma-burnout sa ginagawa ko. Kasi kung bini lang buong buhay ko, 'di ba? Parang mabu-burnout talaga ako kasi same routine, same, alam mo yun, same yung ginagawa mo. So, kailangan ko talaga ng ibang bagay na kahit papaano magbe-break doon.
Akong teacher, di isa akong get up running guys. I'm breaking out. Oh my gosh, don't mind it. I'm not, fast muna ako sa makeup today kasi I have to let my skin breathe. Kasi when we go on tour, makeup ng makeup lagi. How is everyone? Nikaon na mo, nikaon ako. Kumain na ako. Ano yun? Hello. Kaya parang last ko live is yung birthday ko. Na mag-isa. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-live na mag-isa. Usually, as a group. No, I haven't ordered yung for the Jollibee. But we know naman na kung ano yung lalabas. Kasi, of course, from the shoot, we know. Thanks! I wanna get tanner and tatter ngayon. Hello! Yeah, we're gonna, fly na. I have mga dito guys. Mga Ask Aya questions. Saan to? Ito yun. Ito ba yung nag-post ako? Or yung sa iba?
Ilang ba?
May nag-post kami for
Ah, okay. Pero ito yung sa akin.
Ay, hindi. Galing din.
Ah, okay. Kasi I also did like ask Aya. Okay, let's answer the first question. I have a list of questions here, guys. First question, do you have a bucket list of things you want to do, or are you more of a spontaneous person who goes with the flow? I am a yes to both. I have a bucket list and I'm a spontaneous person, depende sa mood. But when I travel, I like to have both. Na like, I'm a type C. Yeah, I'm not type A, type B. I'm type C pag nagta-travel. Kasi when I travel, I have like a list of places I want to go or activities I want to try. But also at the same time, I don't want to have a detailed schedule. Parang nasa mind ko lang siya na, okay, I wanna, example, I wanna try hot air balloon, but I don't know what time, I don't know what day, I don't know when. Depende na lang. My spontaneous side will tell me when. Kumbaga ganun. Sometimes din parang may naka-plan lang or may idea lang ako na, okay, I wanna do something adventurous, like something na kaya sakay sa ATV or like something na might be a horse or basta ganun na vibes. Pero di ko alam exactly. So, ayun. Depende din sa place.
Ano daw yung type?
Type A, for those who don't know, type A kasi is yung super organized, detailed, and then super planado. Yung type B is the opposite. As in na like, pinaka-spontaneous siguro. And for me, I'm type C. Kasi, hindi yung lightning, hindi yung ganon. Type C ako kasi, I'm a mix of both. Yeah. Parang organized but spontaneous. Like example, type A is yung days before pa lang sa trip mo, nakapack ka na ng mga damit at gamit mo. Type B is like just packing very last minute, and for some parang nilalagay na lang sa maleta yung mga damit, like hindi nakatupi at all. Type C naman, I'm type C kasi I like to pack last minute. Pero yun yung type B ko. And type A siya. Yung type A ko naman is naka-organize siya na pagkalagay. Pero, as in like, super last minute ako mag-pack. As in like, super last minute. Yeah, hindi pa nga ako nakapack eh. Yeah, ganon. Yeah, that's it. But when I travel, I really like to be spontaneous. Like, I wanna get lost then in some roads or places I wanna go. Kasi parang feeling ko pag nawawala ako sa isang lugar, that's when I get to discover mga hidden gems. Like, it's so nice when you walk around and then you just don't you just go with the flow, and then parang wala kang fina-follow. Tapos turns out ang dami mong nahanap. Okay, lipat ako. Okay. Okay, back to the questions. But yeah, I would describe myself as an artist. Yeah, I'm breaking all my name. You're beautiful. At least I'm honest with my face. Okay, next question. What's your biggest motivation for staying productive? I genuinely admire how disciplined you are. I want to become that productive too, but I know I still have a lot of work on. When it comes to discipline, any tips or mindset that help you get you there? Am I really disciplined? Or I just do it? Kasi honestly, I'm productive when it comes to travel, when I'm in my travel vacation mode, I'm the most productive person you'll meet ever. Probably. Ang dami nang, to the point, ang dami nang nagreklamo pag na-travel ko sila kasi ang dami kong gusto isingit sa isang araw, sa isang 24 hours. Ang dami kong pwede magawa. As in, like, example, nung last trip ko in Cebu, we woke up in the morning, we did canyoneering, and then in the afternoon, we traveled for 5 hours back to the place in Cebu. And then after that, we had like what's that? Dinner with deep talks moment. Tapos nag-concert pa, tapos lumabas pa until sunrise. And nag-breakfast pa. So 24 hours talaga. Yeah. That's just one of the many moments na super sagad in a day. Ganap. Yeah. Pero, kasi I also have days na hindi ako productive. Pero, I guess it comes from a place din na gusto ko kasi gusto ko kasi may ginagawa ako. Ma-activities person kasi ako. And, yeah. Feeling ko nasanay din sa work. Kasi sa work namin, lagi may ginagawa. So, if wala kang ginagawa, parang, am I doing something right? Or is this like, is this wrong? Kasi wala kang ginagawa ngayon. But yeah. Okay, next question. What are your... Ito nga ako. Ito yung dumadaan eh. Okay. Next question. Advice for doing solo travel and which country is best for first-time solo travel, first-time solo female travelers? Advice for doing solo travel? Kasi when I did solo travel, na outside the Philippines, dumiretso ako na 3 or 4 countries yata. Tapos, yeah, I did solo travel, and then, I guess, a tip is that always be mindful of your surroundings, and I guess, be mindful of your surroundings. Tapos, when you encounter people, I guess be quite smart with how you interact, especially when you get to talk to mga strangers, and make sure that you don't just share personal information. Nag-lag. Hello? Okay na. Okay na? Okay. Wait, ba't nag-lag yung comments? Ayun. Tapos, may nabudol na ako actually. I told my friend na mag-travel sa Kazakhstan, and she did, and she's so happy. Super happy siya kasi wala akong masyadong down sa parts of Kazakhstan. And then, yeah, we enjoyed her time. Yeah.
3 times.
Bisaya.
Nagkaon ka na, love. Nagkaon na, busog na kaayo ko. Nabusog sa ko sa mga story niya. Yeah, thank you guys. Ayan na si Maloy. Talk to them. Hello.
Hi!
Bye guys. Time for
Bye ka
Maloy.
muna.
See you in Cebu. See you there. See you there.
Hi, Blooms! I'm gonna fit check.
Kasama.
Hey there,
Ba't ka sama-sama dun ka nga? Ang baho ng hininga mo. Yak! Ano ba? Papansin. Patugtog karaoke. Na kayo mag-away, okay? Don't fight. Tigil nyo na yung pag-aaway nyo. Goodbye. Okay, joke. May nakain kami dun basa. Feeling ko kinain ng Bloom, tapos binalik. Oh my gosh. Basa siya.